Good morning. This is the week of the 27th. Here we're looking at the SPYs, a weekly of it. And we had last week a buy signal was generated over that hammer. See that hammer right here? So now we're in a buying pressure. The most we can expect for this stock to do is maybe right here at the 200 period moving average and the 20. That's all that can be counted on for, so that's not a whole lot, but we'll see what happens. As you can tell here, the week before it was a real positive week, and it just pulled back just a little bit because the so much buying had happened the week prior. Now everyone is going to look to see if this low right here is going to be taken out or preserved. That's what everybody's waiting on, and then see how positive they can go and for how long. The next 2 weeks we'll be able to judge the strength or weakness of the market. You can drill down to the daily, and here on the daily you see we have a good 7 days of purchasing, and of course a little letdown here, makes sense, but we got over the 20 period moving average almost, just like I said last week that we could have had that, and there it is. Okay, now on to the Qs. That was the NYSE. Now we're going to the Qs, which represent the NASDAQ market. And remember, I said there was a slight support here, and here it's finding that slight support, and it produced a somewhat positive bar here, but the 20 is still on top of this stock, and it didn't show strength where we thought it might have, right here at the 20. And so it can still make it down to this 200, but it has thrown a buy signal here at 45.83, and perhaps it will go long for a little while, maybe 2 more weeks, possibly, maybe, we don't know. So more than anything, you're kind of in a positive zone because of the buy signal, and that is all. It's not the strongest buy signal in the world, but somewhat positive. Now if we drill down, it looks even better to the daily, because you have a slight consolidation. You got a little looseness here, which indicates just a little weakness, just like I said. Here's the high, 46.13. If the Qs exceed 46.13, you get a little boost, because now see how it made this low, and then it couldn't make another low as that. That's positive. And then it began to pull up, and it crossed the 20 period moving average, which may indicate that it is on its way to finding this 200 period moving average, which will probably meet it right around 47 over time. So we expect some buying. I don't know how long it's going to last. If it exceeds 46.13, and everybody's going to be watching to see if it can take out this low. They were watching here, and it bought before it could even reach the low, so people bought it. So people are buying the stock on lower charts. Okay, that's it. The entire market is not in any position for the average long setup. So basically you're either in short mode, or right now, because of so much selling, you're not really in any mode, because the market's not ready to buy in any good formation, and all this selling has already taken place, so you're not really ready to do any selling either. And just like I told you on the spiders NYSE market, it cracked, it didn't go so far, and now it's already pulling up, and we'll see how far it goes. Alright, well, that is your synopsis for the week of the 27th of July. Have a good luck trading.